Jelly Rest can be a bit of an unusual place, though. When it snows here, it snows fluffy marshmallows. That's pretty cool. The Jiggle Wigglers stick their tongues out to catch the snowflakes, and they jiggle and they wiggle.
When they want to learn about something, they don't read a book, they eat the book. Munch, munch, munch. And amazingly, cookbooks actually taste like the recipes on the page.
They're especially scared of ice cream and cake. I can't imagine not liking ice cream and cake. Bee bunnies burrow underground for food that they do like. They only eat lost coins and buried treasure.
Not too fresh. Zap! But where does all the food go? I hear you ask. It's fuel for Zargok's spaceship. Nothing goes to waste when it's Zargok's about.
Funny little monsters.